The key to making a beautiful feature wall like this is sourcing the proper material that just happened to be delivered to the site by the installer who brought it from a shop in Okotoks where a crew was planing and milling material that's used for all kinds of things like barn doors, faux beams, and all sorts of custom furniture. Of course, it isn't that easy because before milling the lumber, the nails are removed from the boards, but not before hauling the boards from another yard, which can kind of be fun to get to. The material is stacked and well organized because retrieving the material means going out and gathering each board, piece by piece. But the real secret is finding a barn that is no longer functioning for its intended use. The 100-year-old boards from this barn will be on display in this new home for the next 100 years. We're Two Birds Furniture, and this is what we do.